Fire cider is a delicious way to support winter wellness during the fall and winter months. This vibrant recipe calls on nutritive herbal allies and beetroot for the added support of vitamins and minerals. Start by adding 1 medium onion, 10 cloves of garlic, and 2 jalapenos to a large jar. Next, add a half cup of grated ginger root, a half cup of grated horseradish, and the zest and juice of 1 lemon. Now it's time for the dried ingredients. Add 3 tablespoons of beetroot powder, a quarter cup each of nettle leaf and raspberry leaf, and 2 tablespoons of rosemary leaves. Top your mixture off with a quarter cup of local honey and enough apple cider vinegar to cover your ingredients fully. Place a piece of unbleached parchment paper between the jar and lid and shake well. Your ingredients may swell during maceration. Check after several days and add more vinegar if needed. Store your fire cider in a cool, dark place and shake daily. Strain mixture after 1 month, making sure to squeeze out as much liquid as possible from the pulp. Taste your cider and add more honey if desired. Enjoy!